Hi, I'm Ryan from RG Bespoke, and I've just cut my first shaker door on my new Fabertec CNC. I first came across Fabertec on Instagram from seeing other joiners and cabinet makers using the machines. What I liked the most about it was the fact that I could go on the website, all the dimensions are on there, the information, loads of videos, tutorials which helped me plan in my workshop. I could measure out on the floor how big it was going to be, how much workshop space I would need. I first went up to the factory to meet Charles, who spent about 2 hours running through all the different sizes of the machine, what I could cut on there. He gave me a demo, showing me some different items that we could make. He's been very helpful in the install, the guidance of it so far. And today Michael's been down, set everything up, spent several hours teaching me how to use the programs, running me through everything, and I'm looking forward to cutting my first set of wardrobes on it.